Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to work from home data entry. First, understand that data entry involves accurately inputting information into digital formats. You'll need strong attention to detail and basic computer proficiency. Next, set up a dedicated workspace at home. This helps maintain focus and professionalism, ensuring you can perform your tasks efficiently and without distractions, leading to better productivity. Finding legitimate remote data entry jobs requires careful searching. Utilize well-known job boards and company career pages, always verifying the employer's credibility. Be wary of opportunities that ask for upfront payments or promise unrealistic earnings. Craft a clear, concise resume highlighting your accuracy and typing speed, perhaps 60 words per minute, and tailor your cover letter to each application to stand out. To excel in remote data entry, mastering key tools and skills is crucial. Proficiency in spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets is often a must. Aim for a typing speed of at least 60 words per minute with high accuracy. Additionally, cultivate exceptional attention to detail and strong organizational skills. These abilities ensure precise data input and efficient workflow, making you a valuable asset. Maximizing your productivity while working from home is key. Try time management techniques like the Pomodoro method, working for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break. Establish a consistent daily routine, starting and ending your workday at similar times. Remember to take regular, short breaks throughout the day to avoid burnout and maintain your focus and efficiency over the long term.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.